Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we show tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be looking at on how to share Instagram posts of someone else's. So first and foremost, we're going to go to Nike's, maybe let's just go to Nike's post, and they shared this post into a story, and we want to share this as well to out. And so first, the thing about sharing is you can't directly share this post since they don't follow you. If they followed you, you could have shared this post in your story. But since they don't follow you, you can press on this aeroplane, paper aeroplane looking icon. If you press on that, you can see you can share it to the people that you sent a message to. Or you can just type in someone's name. And the other way to share is we're going to press on these three dots right there. And as you can see, share to, and then from here you can share this to anyone you want, and you can press on see all, and you can do more than just Instagram. You can share out of Instagram as well. So it's as simple as that on sharing stories. So if you want, you could, if your Facebook is linked with your Instagram, you can directly share this to your Facebook. But since I don't have it linked, I won't be able to show it to you, but it's as simple as that. This is how you basically share posts on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.